SRFM stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Surf Air Mobility stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1 minute video. SRFM is already sort of did its thing. It's 5:30 now. Honestly speaking, this is how my chart is looking like. If I zoom out, you will see that it is interesting because I began buying when it was sort of 343, and with that, absolutely cooked, man. Like, this is so good. Like, this was sitting at 2 weeks ago.
5 years and like,
you know, it was 331 2 weeks ago, and then it reached freaking 9, the exact 3x. That's a 200% increase. And from there, now we're here. I mean, throughout all the way, you can see all these links. You can check them out on your own. But currently, it's a bearish market, and for me to be bullish, it must break with a full candle close above 603, or a full candle close. I mean, some big catalyst happens. Other than that, it's still bearish, and it's just only for now, not forever, genuinely. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.